Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple pie. To achieve that perfectly smooth, non-watery apple pie filling, we'll focus on a few key techniques. First, selecting the right apples is paramount. Then, we'll discuss the importance of pre-cooking them to prevent a gap between the crust and filling. Finally, we'll ensure our filling is perfectly thickened for that irresistible, smooth consistency. Get ready to bake the best apple pie you've ever tasted. For a truly smooth pie, start with the right apples. Firm, tart varieties such as Granny Smith or Honeycrisp hold their shape well and offer balanced flavor. Peel, core, and slice your apples into uniform 1/4 inch pieces. This ensures even cooking. Tossing them with a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice not only prevents browning, but also adds a bright note to the filling. This careful preparation sets the stage for a perfectly smooth texture. Now, let's create that silky filling. Combine your sliced apples with about 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of nutmeg. Gently cook this mixture over medium heat for about 8 to 10 minutes until the apples soften slightly. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue to simmer for another 5 minutes, allowing the filling to thicken beautifully. This step is vital for a smooth, set pie. With your silky filling ready, pour it into a 9-inch pie crust. Top with a second crust, crimping the edges to seal, and cut a few vents. Bake your pie in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbling. Finally, and this is crucial for smoothness, let the pie cool completely for at least 4 hours before slicing. This allows the filling to fully set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.